Hi friends, in today's class we are going to discuss very important part of English language in which you will find that two nouns, if they are working in a similar manner or carrying a similar idea, okay, it will take a singular verb. That means two nouns are there, but it will take a singular verb. Okay, if the two nouns they bring out the same concept or they are indicating a similar concept in the sentence, it will have a singular verb, right? That means two nouns having a singular verb. If I say it directly, सीधे कहे तो दो नाउन रहेगा लेकिन उसका वर्ब फॉर्म क्या रहेगा, सिंगुलर रहेगा. जैसे ये कैसे लग रहा है, सपोज द बस एंड द लॉरी इज स्टैंडिंग नहीं बोलेंगे, आर स्टैंडिंग बोलेंगे क्योंकि बस और लॉरी है. ओके लेकिन यहाँ पर रूल डिफरेंट हो जाएगा जब यहाँ पर टू नाउन्स हम लेंगे, बट इट विल टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. नाउ लेट अस सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. एग्जाम्पल देखकर समझते हैं कि सपोज राइस एंड करी इज माई फेवरेट फूड होगा. This is very important because there are some sentences more I am going to give you. Rice and curry is my favorite food. Truth and honesty leads to success. Truth and honesty leads to success. See, lead to success होना चाहिए ना, because two are there. ओके ट्रूथ है और ऑनेस्टी है तो क्या होना चाहिए, लीड होना चाहिए, बट इट लीड्स होगा यहाँ पर, राइट? बिकॉज हियर इट इज promoting a similar concept of idea. Okay, if the idea is completely merged into one, though there are two words, it will take a singular verb. So let us see some more examples like this. This will help you to write correctly in exams. Sometimes the questions are framed in this manner. Okay, the questions are framed in the manner. Then what happens, the students, those who do not know, they will fill with a plural verb and it will go wrong. So this is necessary both point of view of speaking and also for writing and appearing in the exams. So please take the class very seriously and take the examples and note it down and learn it that much as much I am giving you today. Okay, like time and tide waits for no man. Time and tide waits for no man. Milk and fruit is a healthy diet. Milk and fruit is a healthy diet. दो चीज हैं यहाँ पर, मिल्क भी है फ्रूट भी है, लेकिन लगा क्या, is a healthy diet. Because milk and fruit they are working as a similar concept. Rice and curry is a favorite dish in India. Rice and curry is a favorite dish in India. A horse and a carriage is waiting at the gate. A horse, दो चीज है, a horse and carriage. Carriage and horse दोनों सिमिलर चीज है, उसी का पार्ट है, तो इसको हम सिंगुलर ही लेंगे, अलग अलग नहीं लेंगे. Horse, a horse and a carriage is waiting at the door, at the gate or something like that. Okay, number 6. Screaming and shouting was heard no more. Screaming and shouting was heard no more. Here are two words, screaming and shouting. Screaming and shouting, two words, but was heard no more. Was taking where होना चाहिए ना हिसाब से. Okay, but it is taking was heard no more. See, bread and butter is my breakfast, or bread and butter is my favorite food. Bread and breakfast is my bread and butter is my favorite food. Two things are there, butter and bread, but these concepts are taken as one. It is the name of one complete dish separately, like rice and curry. Okay, rice and curry is a favorite dish. You take like sambar and dosa is placed in my table. Sambar and dosa, because these are the same thing or same, it comes as the same conceptual unit. Okay, let's see some more example. Example number 8. All coming and going was restricted. All coming and going was restricted. Clear? So see number 9. Hammer and sickle is lying on the table. Hammer and sickle is lying on the table. Hammer मतलब हथौड़ा, sickle मतलब हसुआ. Okay, the way we rip something, our crops. Okay, so the hammer and sickle is lying on the table, not are lying on the table, because they are one conceptual unit. In the same way, fish and chips was served in the restaurant. Fish and chips was served in the restaurant because fish and chips is considered as similar object or similar concept. Number 11. The rise and fall is caused by the rough weather. The rise and fall is caused by the rough weather. Number 12. See here, number 12. Truth and honesty leads to success. Truth and honesty leads to success. Number 13. The crown and glory of life is character. The crown and glory of life is character. Number 14. The long and short of the matter is this. The long and the short of the matter is this. See, long and short means the final outcome of something. Long and short मतलब जो चीज़ निकल के आती है किसी बात को डिस्कशन के बाद. सो लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट मीन्स द ब्रीफ, द एक्चुअल थिंग दैट हैज़ कम आउट. द लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट of the matter is this. The long and short of the matter is this. Then that means आखिरकार मैटर का बात इतना है. Okay, so in this manner it will take a singular verb. The 15th one is very easy, and but we have never seen that. See, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. This is a proverb. Okay, this proverb it takes early to bed and early to rise. Two things are there. Makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Okay, so these are the very important sentences. इसको लिख लीजिए क्योंकि ऐसे questions आपको बहुत काम आएंगे सारे जगह, even in written, spoken, and in examination. These questions are being asked, and it makes you a little faster and little more knowledgeable in English. Okay, this makes you a little more learned in English language. So this was there. These 16 years, जितने भी 15 या 16 और एक है जैसे the wages of sin is death. Okay, the wages of sin is death. ये भी है. सो हमने इसको भी आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. बट वेजेस के लिए कंट्रोवर्सी पहले था, अभी भी है कि वेजेस वेदर इट इज़ अ प्लूरल वर्ड और सिंगुलर. दैट इज़ व्हाई आई हैव नॉट रिटन इट हियर, बट इट ऑल्सो टेकन इन सम बुक्स. दिस लाइन इज ऑल्सो गिवन as such. So these are the most important line I have given you, and you must learn it. इतना ही देखिए. तो क्या इसके पीछे लॉजिक साइंस कुछ मत लगाइए. ये सब आप ये जानते हैं. 15 sentences I have given you, इसको आप लर्न कर लीजिए कि in these 15 sentences at least it will take a singular verb. Okay, all for today. I am Hriday Ranjan, your English language trainer and your live lesson coach, and I wish that you subscribe to the channel and press the like button. All for today. Thank you very much.